Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right into our daily analysis, which is on Bitcoin Cash. I'm going to be analyzing the charts, sharing as to what is going on with the price of Bitcoin Cash and what I am projecting to happen for the price in the immediate short term. As always, you guys know that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So looking at the price of Bitcoin Cash as of July 6th, almost July 7th right now, you can see the price is currently sitting at $281.89. We're down about 3.1% over the last 24 hours in USD comparative. We're also down a little bit in Bitcoin comparative, about 0.7% to be exact. If we're looking at its market cap, the market cap is holding around the same range as to where we were yesterday, around that $5.5 billion mark. But one thing I want you guys to focus on right now is the overall 24-hour trading volume, which is $1.3 billion. So basically what this shows is that the overall buying pressure is similar to what it was yesterday. So the overall interest that we're seeing in Bitcoin Cash has not decreased whatsoever. And when I pull out the charts for you guys, we will be able to clearly see that that is the case. But before we get into the price, I just wanted to share this with you guys. You guys can see that we're seeing a lot of volume for Bitcoin Cash coming from Asia, and you can see this for yourself. The chart shows the 24-hour trading volume in cryptocurrency trading pairs listed on South Korea's largest digital asset exchange, which is Upbit. The Bitcoin Korean won trading pair has registered a trading volume of $303 million the last 24 hours. Significant decline from the 557 million seen a week ago. So obviously it's a decline, but the most important thing to point out is this is still insane amount of volume that is coming just from Upbit itself. So that shows that the interest level that is on the Asia side is really high, and the narrative that Bitcoin Cash is painting for itself is huge. A lot of people in the comment section in my updates are agreeing with me that newcomers, even yourself, even myself, if I were to be a newcomer, why would I be looking at Bitcoin when it's $30,000? Why would I not be looking at Bitcoin Cash, which is $281? It is more appealing rather than Bitcoin itself, and I think that is going to bring in a lot of more interest coming in, and I think that's why institutions are getting in. But now let's get right into the price, see what is happening and where we could be going in the immediate short term. So before we kind of look at Bitcoin Cash, I want you guys to focus on BTC. So Bitcoin was able to hit a new yearly high today. Literally, you can see this for yourself. Bitcoin went up to $31,541. We set ourselves a new yearly high, but of course we saw the price of Bitcoin fall back below $30,000, which of course impacted the entire crypto markets. And not only that, we saw BTC dominance once again making its way back up to that 52%, and that is causing, if we're looking across the markets, that is causing over the last 24 hours, majority of the cryptocurrencies projects are down quite a bit, and that is the main reason as to why we're seeing this happen. But what is next? Right now what you can see is that $30,000 support is quite strong. We've retested that quite some time, and of course that played out as a level of support, and right now we are once again forming a green candle. And you can also see this for yourself. On the daily time frame, we literally touched the 20 EMA. You can literally see this for yourself. It touched that 20 EMA right on that dot, and we've seen a bounce. So far what we're seeing is that is playing as a level of support. But if we do see the price of Bitcoin start pushing back up towards the upside, as we do go, especially into Friday and obviously the weekend, we could see Bitcoin Cash hitting a new yearly high, because now if we're looking at Bitcoin Cash, it's holding really, really strong. Just as I told you guys yesterday in my update, I know some people are getting tired of it. This is literally mind-boggling to me. I will never be able to wrap my head around the fact that we're seeing a crazy pop off within the price of Bitcoin Cash, to be exact. Let's look at it from the June 10th price. You're still up, if you picked it up around there, 212%, and this is a large cap coin. Despite this fact, I've seen some comments coming in of people saying, oh, it's not moving. Literally, you can't make this up, guys. I've literally heard people say, oh, it's not moving. Did you guys just forget what has happened over the past 2 to 3 weeks? People don't understand that, and what they want is the explosive moves overnight. That's not going to happen. I'm literally going to tell those people that, obviously those comments, that's not happening. Look elsewhere. It's not happening, and I will continue repeating that. That is not how cryptocurrencies work, unfortunately speaking. But the people that understand how cryptocurrency work, that look at the bigger picture, that have patience, these are the people that are looking at the bigger picture and starting to see the potential Bitcoin Cash really has. Remember, from its literally yearly high, we're only down about 13.7%. As soon as Bitcoin makes a move, we could be back towards yearly high, and of course the next target that we're aiming for is at $385, and that has not changed at all. So we need to keep these factors in mind. Remember, that price of Bitcoin Cash is up about 221% even after a retracement, so we need to learn how to have patience. I'm sure the people that are understanding the entire cryptocurrency market, they know how things work, they know how important patience is. I'm not saying this to them, I'm just saying it to the people that come and leave the comments as in like, oh, it's not moving, it stopped moving, and it's crashing really, really hard. No, it's not. It's really, really funny to see, but oh well. I want to hear from you guys though. Are you guys on the same page, or are you guys thinking a little bit something different? But one thing that's showing me massive strength, can you guys guess what that thing is that I'm about to show you? Okay, let's see. I'm about to say it, and tell me in the comment section if you guys were on the same page as me. So despite the fact that we did see price to Bitcoin who go back below 30K, look at this. Bitcoin Cash has not retested this $261 support. Last time we retested was back on July 5th. So that is showing that the strength is there for itself, and I am projecting some positive moves happening for the price of Bitcoin Cash in the immediate short term. The narrative's there as Bitcoin, and hopefully as this ETF were to get approved, I think Bitcoin Cash could be one of those giants that can shock a lot of people. Some people are projecting that Bitcoin Cash can hit a $10,000 price point. So putting that into perspective, if Bitcoin were to hit 130 to even 200K range, that some people are saying that could potentially be the target for this cycle, then we could see Bitcoin Cash getting close to that 5-digit mark this bull cycle. Again, that's a huge prediction to make, but again, that's just my own personal opinion. We will talk about the predictions, of course, when we do see Bitcoin Cash hitting a new all-time high. But until then, right now, for the immediate short term, we should not ignore how good this is really holding. But like I said, let me know in the comment section what you guys think. I love you all. Thank you so much for all your support. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.